In this video, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube link to your TikTok profile. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok application and next tap Add Profile icon to open up your profile. Now, there hit on Edit Profile and there you have to find YouTube and tap here where it says Add YouTube. It brings you to your Google account and now you have to go through login process. Just hit there at that field and here you can use your login of your YouTube account and then also you have to enter your password. Now next on this step, if two-factor authentication enabled on your account, here it says on Russian, but I'll translate you that I have to confirm that that's actually me. And now I can open up my Gmail where I got a security code. And here it says, are you trying to sign in? I'll tap on yes, it's me. And now I can go back to my TikTok account. Here I have to select the exact account that I want to use, that I want to associate with TikTok. I'll select the first one and then I have to tap where it says allow. Now I can go back to my TikTok profile and here you see that test channel is actually attached or linked to my TikTok profile. I can go back to my profile and as you see here is a new YouTube button that wasn't here before, and if someone tap on that button it brings to that exact YouTube channel that I have just linked. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.